How to turn off video chat notifications on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off video chat notifications. It's so easy and quick. First thing, go to your Instagram. Go to your profile and click on those three lines up there. Now click on setting and click on notifications. Scroll down or click on direct message and calls. Now scroll down and click on off video chats. Now you can choose if you want to turn it off or just from people you followed or just from everyone. I choose to turn off video chats notifications. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.